Shh. Nobody sees me. There it is. Nailed it. All right, just a few more. Cluck, cluck.
Cluck!
Almost got it. Cluck, cluck, cluck.
Is anyone there? Hey, okay. Just gotta be quiet.
All right, just gotta get these in here. Nobody saw me. Nobody saw me. Quick, quick, quick. Almost gotcha. QWA cake. Yeah, you're a fast one.
This looks like the spot.
Quack. Quack, quack. Almost there. Perfect. Shh. Good work, me. Time to split. I will take your wool, my fluffy friend. Bah? All right, little fella. Won't take a minute.
Bah?
Perfect. Now, let's go. Come on, you fluffy little rascal. We're almost there. Bah? All right, you're in. Now stay quiet. Bah! Quack! Hey. Come on, you little menace. Just a little further.
Up and over you go!
Bah! Finally! Now, let's go!
Almost there.
Munch!
Munch.
Just a little closer. Who's there?
Huh?
Now stay there. Don't move. Wait, what's happening? All right, in you go. Wait, what? Gotcha. Let us out. I got it. Let's go. Bah! Quack! Gotta lose him. Beep, moving. Morning. Time to get to work. Get to work. Ha! Morning, everyone. What? No eggs? Where are the ducks? Goats, goatlets. Oh, where have they all gone? I miss them so much. Help! Someone broke in. Everything's gone. Please send someone now.
They took it all!
Police, can I help you?
There's been a situation, sir.
I understand. Stay calm, we're on our way. Oh, well, that's so hard inside. You're under arrest, pal. Step out of the truck. Oh, no, not me. I didn't do anything. Hand over the loot. I swear this is all a
Here, ducky, ducky, fresh bread, don't be shy. Sinayday? Ang! Oh, Kinno, Monarch Besi, Bolgini, Onara usko pinni.
What was that? Is someone there? Did you hear that?
I'm not sure.
I better check. Quack, where are you? Hen, chicks, come out! Where are you? Please!
Help me, please! Please, hurry! They went that way, down the dirt road, big truck! Oh, please!
Yes, I'm listening. Okay, I understand. On my way.
Pull over, sir! You need to stop now! Oh, no!
All right, ya. Hands where I can see them.
Oh, hi there, officer. Didn't see ya.
Drop the loot, mister.
I think it's time to stop now.
Oh, all right. Caught me.
All right. Let's see what we have here.
Oh, my precious little ones! I've missed you so much!
Quack, quack.
Everything is in its place.